A treasure map! Do you remember what the drawings on the map stood for? What about this one? That's right, the finder flag. And these wavy blue lines were the river. And the big red X told us where to find the buried treasure. Good sleuthing, everybody!